Hi everyone, let's talk about empathy. What is empathy? When you understand the people around you and you put yourself in other people's shoes, na kung saan is you find the same ground with them, na kapag nakita mo ganun yung sitwasyon yung isang tao is literal na ikaw mismo, you fully understand them, na parang you know exactly what happened to them. You feel exactly what happened to them. And that is empathy. Yung tipong you find kahit na magkakaiba kayo, magkaibang tao kayo, you find same ground para mas maunawaan, mas maintindihan yung taong kaharap mo o yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi mas, alam niyo, ang sarap sa pakiramdam that you give empathy to the people around you. When you have that ability or have the attitude of or character of being empathy, people will love to see you, to feel you, to hear you. Yung tipong naglalakad ka pa lang, ramdam ka na ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi alam mo bakit? Ikaw pa lang, ramdam mo na kagad sila. Napakasaya na kaya mo at alam mo kung paano maintindihan yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Because you put yourself in others people's shoes. Hindi ka ganun mag-judge. You are in a fair situation with them. At the same time, you are not just judging people roughly around you. Kasi nga, alam mo at naiintindihan mo sila. Nakikita mo exactly yung pagkakaiba-iba ng tao. Pero, kahit nakikita mo yung pagkakaiba-iba ng tao, alam mo kung paano ilagay yung sarili